I will show you how to work a crochet sole for any kind of baby crochet shoes. In this particular video I will work a sole for 3-6 months age, okay? I will show you how to crochet the right and the left sole as well. I will show you also how to work the first 2 rounds to create the upper side of the shoes, and then I will link you in the information box below all the models, all the shoes models you can create starting from this universal sole. I will work this lace yarn with a 3mm crochet hook. Slip knot to start. Chain 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Now in the third chain from the hook, 1, 2, and 3, single crochet 2, 1 and 2 into the same stitch. Now into the next 5 stitches, 5 half double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now into the next 8 stitches, double crochet 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now you see I have my last chain. Into this chain I have to crochet 6 double crochet, and all the 6 double crochet must be worked in the same chain, and in this way I will turn to the other side because I have to work this side of my chain as well. So yarn over, insert your hook under one loop only of this chain and 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Now you see you have 1 and 2 loops of this chain so narrow. Yarn over, open the 2 loops, and under one only you have to crochet another 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, you see you turned to the other direction. Now into the next 8 chains, 8 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and finally 8. Now in the next 5 chains, 5 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now into the last chain 2 single crochet, 1 and 2 into the same stitch. Now close this round, finish this round slip stitching into the first single crochet, not the chain, the first single crochet of this round, like that. Second round, chain 1, enter again the same very first stitch and yarn over, enter the very first stitch and half double crochet 2, 1 and 2 into the same stitch below. Into the next stitch the same, 2 half double crochet into the same stitch, 1 and 2. Now I have to double crochet 13 into the next 13 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, now we have to crochet all around and turning to the other direction. So in each one of the 6 double crochet below, I have in the turning area, I have to double crochet 2. So yarn over into the first one, 1 and 2 double crochet. Into the next one, 3 and 4. Into the next one, 5 and 6. Into the next one, 7 and 8. Into the next one, 9 and 10. Into the next one, 11 and 12. So from 6 to 12 double crochet for this second round. Now into the next 13 stitches, 13 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and finally 13. Now in the last 2 stitches, 2 half double crochet in each one. 1 and 2 into the first stitch below, into the next one, 3 and 4 half double crochet, and now finish this round slip stitching not in the chain but into the first half double crochet of this round. So your sole is completed. Okay, this is the right sole of my shoes. You see, this is the right. Now I have to do the left. You simply have to work another sole exactly like that. When you have finished the second round, you simply have to turn your sole in this way, turn like that, and start your new round. Chain 1 into the back side of the stitch, single crochet 1 and single crochet 1 in each back side of the stitches below. This way you did the left sole as well. At the end of this round, slip stitch to join into the first single crochet you did at the beginning of this round, like that.